engine 1N179. Turning good, and the front engines looks good, as you can see. Altimeter in good conditions, and on this side, engine's looking good without any damage. Engine's turbo, not broken. Turbo turn with the Salon gearbox. Gearbox looks nice, and on this side, everything's good. Compressor without any damage. Started with the tool. Put this well on the pipe inside without water. And on the top, all connectors without any damage. On the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning the engine 1N179.